So you click on continue. So here we have task. Try as much as possible to perform all the tasks. Go back to the home page. You will see this hammer sign. Click on it. Break the eggs and try your luck. So now let's break the egg and let's try our luck. You click on the egg to break it. You click on next one. Here I have 10 best balance. You can choose any of the egg. I also have 10 beds plus 10 beds added. Then next one. I click on it. 20 beds added. Next one. I have 7 out of 10 left, so I have chances of doing this for 10 times. So I've done it for 3 times. Remaining 7 are 7 chances. So I click on this. Good. I have 10 added, making 50 beds balance total. Okay. Nothing added yet. So let me click this. Wow. Nothing added here, so I lost 2. Wow, lost 3. Okay, let me try again. Oh, lost 4. Okay, I've got 20. Yeah, plus 10. So I think this is the final one. Okay, so that's all. So that's how to do it. So the next thing you do is to claim. So then it will be added to your coin balance. So you have to come back in the next 27 minutes to do the same thing. So basically this is the task here.